In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a search on eBay. If you regularly hunt for deals, or you're waiting for a very specific item to pop up, saving a search lets eBay do the legwork for you. Instead of retyping your query every time, you'll have a shortcut to fresh results and can even get alerts when something new appears. Start by opening eBay.com in your browser or launch the eBay app on your phone. In the search bar, type the keywords that describe what you're after, like used DSLR camera. The more specific your keywords, the better your matches, so consider including a brand or model if you know it. Before you move on, refine the results with filters. Set a price range. Choose a condition such as new, used, or refurbished. Pick a location if shipping speed or local pickup matters, and select a format like auction or buy it now if you prefer one over the other. These filters are important because they're saved along with your keywords, so your results stay focused every time you return. Once your results look right, look near the top of the page for the Save This Search option. On some versions, it appears as a link labeled Save This Search. On others, it's a heart icon. Tap or click it, and you should see a confirmation that your search has been saved. In many cases, you'll also see a prompt offering email notifications, which means eBay can let you know when new listings match your criteria without you needing to check manually. Here's a quick tip if you don't immediately see the save option. The exact placement can vary by device and app version, and on mobile, it may be tucked just out of view. Try scrolling a little on the results page, and if it still doesn't show up in the eBay app, open a mobile browser and run the same search there. After you've saved it, you can find your saved searches anytime by going to My eBay and choosing Saved or Saved Searches. That section gathers every search you've saved so you can open them with one tap. When you select one, eBay reloads the latest results that match your original keywords and filters, so you always start from the most relevant, up-to-date listings without having to rebuild the search. Finally, remember that saved searches can send you email alerts when new items appear. That way you'll hear about fresh listings as they're posted. And that's all there is to it. Search once, save it, and let eBay keep watch for you.